Class 12 board exams are around the corner, and now is the time to prepare your subject intensively. Read the literature chapters from the textbook thoroughly and do not take shortcuts by just reading the summary. This will not only help you understand the chapter, its plot, and its characters better, but also enable you to analyze it critically. These are the prerequisites for attempting MCQs correctly. Revise the key phrases and use them in your answers as value points. Keep reading newspaper to brush up your vocabulary, content, and general awareness for writing skills. Revise the format of all writing skills, especially the invitations and replies. Practice the elimination method for attempting MCQs in comprehension passages. Solve sample papers in a time-bound frame to get an idea of your speed and time management. With this, you will also get an exposure to a variety of questions according to the latest pattern specified by CBSE. Keep practicing and perfecting yourself. All the best.